So our next topic is working of app. How these apps are working. Apps are used to do specific function to your computer and mobile device. Mobiles apps mostly run on Android app, Apple Windows Phone. Android has huge market and lots of people are using in it. So in this chapter we will take example of an Android phone. Okay, why I'm taking example of Android phone, because all are familiar with the Android phone and you know how Android phone are working. In Android phone we are using Google Play Store. Okay, your Android phone come with some apps, but you can install further apps. Okay, in this case when you are buying the phones, we are getting apps from in our phone also, but some apps are not in your phone, so you have to install these app from Play Store. Okay, it is called Google Play Store. You can download apps from the Google Play Store or other source, run them as needed, as switch quickly among them. Okay, when we are purchasing a new phone, on that time first you have to create ID. It is called Google Play ID. Okay, you have to give your information. If you have Gmail ID or any other email, you can fill this email ID. You have to no need to make new ID. But if you have no email ID, then you have to first make your email ID, Play Store ID. Then you can easily download any app, easily download anything which you want from Play Store. Next, we are having running an application in Android. How this application running in Android? Now I'm going to discuss this. These are the steps. All are familiar with these steps, so it will be easy for you if you will listen me. Then it will help. If you need to use an app or your phone device, you have to run it. You cannot run any app from app screen, okay, of Android mobile. You can run multiple apps at once. Each app appear full screen, so you can work in a single app at the same time. If you have multiple app in your mobile phone, you cannot use this app at the same time. At a one time you can use only one app, but you can switch from one app to another app neatly. Okay, easily we can switch means to say easily we can move from one app to another app. You can switch app quickly by using the recent app list. There are one button that is called recent app list. So when you will press this button, whatever the apps we are using, you can easily run and easily go particular app. To run an app, follow the given steps. Tap the all app button from the home screen, then tap the app you want to use. Okay, when you will click the button app, recently app, then all the apps you will get. Tap the app on you want. Okay, which app you want to use, you can tap. For example, here in the book it is given example calculator app. Okay, you have to select the calculator. After this, if you want to go another app, okay, again you have to tap this app and you can select particular app. Next, our next step is installing an app. How we can install an app? It is very easy. Just Google Play Store has many types of application available for Android device to install and work. If you need to install a particular app, you can navigate that app in Google Play Store in the game category. You can also use search feature from the Play Store, and you can also search particular app which you want to install in your computer. So here, what are the steps to install a computer? Is very easy. First we have to open Play Store. Okay, when we open Play Store, you have to select the category which category application you want on your computer. Suppose you want from the game application. Okay, game category, there are the different categories. When you will click the game category, all the games nowadays which is you easily you can get. This is old book, so here it is given Temple Run. Okay, on your book it is given Temple Run, and you have to select, you have to type Temple Run, and then third step, a lot of match result will be appear. Okay, whatever the in the search box you have given, the match result you will get, and you have to this keep in your mind. The thing which first come in first at the top, it will be accurate result as per your search. Tap the app you want to install, tap on install, download the installation, download and installation app process will start. The icon will appear in the app screen. Now you can run this application by touching it. Okay, when you will select the app, it will take time. Okay, it will take time for downloading, it will take time for installing. Okay, after installing, after downloading, installation process, and when this app is installed, then you can use. One thing more, yes, to keep when if you have downloading speed fast, then it will take few second. If you have short, if you have small app, but if you have big app like this size to 250 MB, then it will take time. It's depend upon your downloading speed. Next, installing a new app manually. What is mean by this? Installing a new app manually, sometime you are using the apps which is not in the Play Store, so this kind of app we have to download from third party it is called third party software. And this kind of application, third party application, we cannot download from net. Nowadays when you're buying the phone, if you have Samsung phone, then it is called a Galaxy Store. Okay, if you have this Oppo phone, it is called Oppo Store. Okay, Oppo apps. If you have Vivo phone, it is called Vivo apps. As per the different phones it is given, then you can install this app from this particular store. Okay, it's depend upon your phone, which phone you are having in with you. And some applications are also available on net, but net in sense from the, you have to open the web browser. After this you have to search particular app, then you can install. But be serious, sometimes these apps are not good as per our result. Okay, good in sense these are the fakes apps, sometimes virus are in this app, so you have to be serious when you are installing this kind of app. The normal way to install app from the Android iPhones by downloading it from the Google Play Store, but you can also load an app from your device manually. For that you have to acquire a package files containing the app you want to install. You can transfer the package file to your phone and install app. To allow installing app, there are app manually in your phone, you need to enable the option. This is very important. If you are enabling the option, then you can install this app, then you can run this app. What are the steps to enable for this option? You have to click on setting, then second step is security, third step is unknown source. Okay, Android asks you save as .ask. This is file extension. File extension for Android is .ask. Okay, they will ask when you are downloading, they will ask save ask. Next, removing an application. Removing means if you have no longer used this application, it is when you are not using this application, then you can remove this application from your phone. What are the steps to removing this application? First, tap the setting icon from the home screen on the app screen, setting screen will appear. Then second step, tap select application management and application management screen will appear. Scroll down the list until you find the app which you want to remove. App information screen appear. Tap select the app and you have to tap on this app and then you will get option uninstall. Okay, you have to click on uninstall and after few it will take time and then after timing it will be going from your phone, that means removing from your phone. These are the steps, but if you want to make this work fast, okay, you have to do what to do. You have to select from the home screen, you have to select the app from your home screen and when you click tap on this app, then on that time you will also get option uninstall. You can select, you can use any steps. These steps is also good for you, but if you want to do work fast, then you have to tap particular app and then after tapping you have to remove this app from your computer, from your mobile, and uninstalling app from your mobile. Thanks student for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box. Thank you.